All right, so we're at Cayo Largo this week. We've got a junior suite room at Memories room 2022. Let's take a look at what we got inside here. Open the door. So we first walk in. We've got a safe on the right, which is handy to lock up your wallet and valuables. Off to the left, we've got a washroom with a bidet, which I'm going to presume is not functional, and a toilet, which I assume is functional. Sink, single sink, mirror. Bathtub looks functional, I'd say. Fairly basic, but functional. Mini bar down here, which I already took a peek in, which I was a bit disappointed. Because apparently with the junior suite and the upgrade we got, I forget what it's called now, but Diamond Club, yes, we got the Diamond Club upgrade. We're supposed to get this stocked, but it's stocked with 2 glasses. I need some alcohol in here, but I'll have to talk about that later. Okay, so this is the main bedroom area. You can see a good king-size bed. Bed seems fairly good. Decent number of pillows on it. You can see the view out here is fantastic. We'll get to the balcony a bit later in the tour. Little wardrobe section here, TV, which I'm sure we will not be using. Little desk area. Some of our luggage stored here. And this is quite interesting. So the junior suite is basically 2 rooms. So you walk over here, and it's essentially the same area as the bedroom, which I guess is what a normal room would be. But we get an additional room over on this side, which is outfitted with a little sitting area, TV, little dresser drawer area there to put some more stuff in. Little table here you can sit and smoke. Yeah, I don't know why they got ashtrays everywhere. People don't smoke anymore. And disappointing, I already checked this out earlier, but a little sneak preview. Surprise, empty. Have to talk to management about that. That really should be stocked with some soft drinks, and there should be some alcohol nearby. Another safe, so not really need 2 safes. And another washroom here. Bidet, I'm going to guess, non-functional. Toilet. Sink area, bathroom, pretty well the same. So this is kind of an interesting way they've done the suite here. Basically, it looks like it was an adjoining room at one point, and they decided to say, hey, we'll take the bed out, put some furniture in here, and we'll call it a suite. So that's kind of cool. And the upgrade to the suite was, I forget now what the price was, but it was quite reasonable. It wasn't that expensive at all. I can figure out how to open the doors here. Well, let's try let's go back to the other side, because I know that opens up and we can check out I've already got this open here. And what's kind of cool here is we get like a double balcony out here. And the view from here is fantastic. We're up on the 2nd floor, which is really nice. As you guys, if you watched my last video from Buena Vista, we were on the ground floor. The view was okay, but not that great. So we can see we've got probably one of the premium rooms here, really, because this is looking out onto the beach bar there. You can see the beach in the distance. Let's just zoom in a bit. It's pretty windy today, which is awesome. You can see some of the white caps over there. It's nice waves. It's quite good. So here's it's a double-sized balcony. So we're just kind of walking over towards where the I don't know. Oh, here we go. It does open. All right, starting to doubt if it opens or not. Yeah. So there's another window opens here. So this is like the sitting area again that we saw earlier. So just peek inside there. Yeah, so pretty cool. Massive deck out here. You could have like a major party. You can see the little boardwalk there. Actually not that far. It's like a couple of minutes to walk out that boardwalk there. Not far at all to get to the beach. You see a lifeguard station out there, little resting area, and I think that's a bar restaurant. I don't know. I'll have to go check that out later. Anyways, pretty awesome room overall. Pretty happy with it. Anyways, we'll see more of the resort in upcoming videos.